Should I get solar panels on my house to help with my electricity bill? Is my electricity bill gonna be free? Am I still gonna have to pay money? Is it a lease? Is it a purchase? These are all questions we have when it comes to solar panels and electricity and air conditioning and all these energy things that we always hear and talk about with people and hear on the news. My name is Voltaire Lepe, CEO Lepe Tendwell Properties, and I want to personally invite you to a solar panel workshop, okay? So we're gonna be talking about solar systems. And this is the biggest thing about solar systems, in my opinion, is there's over 10,000 companies in the US that offer solar, okay? $17 billion industry. And the biggest issue is not all 10,000 companies are gonna survive until next year, 2020, or be around 5 years from now, 10 years from now. And you guys are signing 20, 25-year purchase agreements and lease agreements with the solar companies. So what happens if they fold? Does that mean that all of a sudden you have to like remove all the equipment from your roof and get another company? So there's all these things. So I'm inviting you to a workshop, July 27th. It's a Saturday. It's at 12 o'clock, okay? Give you guys plenty of time to wake up, get your things in order, and then come over to the workshop at noon. And we're gonna be talking about several things, one of which, again, which is the best company out there, and the difference between all these companies. The other things that we're going to be talking about is the difference between a lease and a purchase contract. I've seen it blow up a bunch of deals and make transactions when you go to sell property or buy a house a headache. Okay, so we're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about how many years does it actually take to benefit from purchasing or leasing a solar system, because a lot of people just are getting into it. They're signing contracts and then they're exiting after 1 year, 2 years, 3 years. Does it even make sense? Are you losing a ton of money? We're gonna teach you how to find out. How to choose a solar provider. Again, that's hugely important. Why thousands of property owners aren't able to sell their home after installing solar. Again, I just mentioned it creates a lot of deals, a lot of headaches and a lot of deals. And then plus forecasting mistakes to avoid before getting solar panels. So it's hugely important, and the reason why is because solar energy is really, really good, but we just want to teach you how to do it a smart way. See you July 27th, Saturday at noon.